Hi guys, Kirk here with Kirk Giordano. Plastering, my friend helping me as usual. His name is Jason. Today what I'm going to show you folks is how we go over, there's about 100 insulation holes on this house. And what we're doing, first of all, a lot of it depends on the texture, number one, and then what these fellas did, number two. Okay, the texture here is a 20-30 grit, which means now my grit or my sand aggregate, with fancy name, whatever you want to call it, has got to be lighter than this, because when you paint something 6 to 8 times, you soften it. So what I'm using a Santa Barbara Smooth Mission Finish grit in order to match this 20-30 texture. If I use 20-30, they'll be too heavy. Now, these fellas did a pretty good job when they did this. They just put it on it and they put the mud in there and scraped it off like this. I can tell they did that because everything is true and plumb. That's pretty rare. Most of the patches we do are hollowed out because the stucco shrinks in there. Anyway, all we need to do, this is a cementitious finish right here. Painted finish here, cementitious. Cementitious will adhere to cementitious by suction. Suck right in there. Anyway, so what I'm going to do here is, and again, I have to look at a patch in order to see the best way to do it. Since this is true and plumb, all I do is I put a little nasty piece right here, just a couple little blobs. That's all it takes. And of course, I'm using my square trowel for this. And what I do, my ideas are, and I've done a few thousand of these guys, is just fill the cementitious area, because anything on the painted surface will come off. So first thing I'm doing is I'm putting it on this cementitious area, and it doesn't have to be pretty. All you have to do is have something. And what I'm doing is I'm going to go to the end of this wall. And while I'm traveling the length of the wall, I'm allowing what I'm doing to suck up into this. And as it sucks up into it, it's curing, which means when I knock it down, it'll be done. I'll show you this particular one without allowing it to cure. Okay, if I got it there and I do that, it's kind of soft, so it's okay. I mean, when you paint this, it's not noticeable. But let's go back to that first one. Back up, Jay, back up, back. Okay, now this has only had, what, a minute to set, but I can see it's already sucked in there. Now when I hit it, it leaves more of a hump because it's dried on there. And we want to follow these humps. So that'll match. That'll match. And they don't all match, guys. I've been doing this forever. And sometimes I look at it and I go, that's not it. So, you see that? Allow it to set and soak in there so the base will dry. And now we have a texture similar to these guys. And you look at it, and these guys did go upward. So I'm kind of doing that same motion, upward or downwards, in this particular fashion here. Right-handed plaster, guys, we all go like this because I'm right-handed too, so I'm going the same way they did. Anyhow, that is how you do it. Again, the most important thing when fellas email me, they go, man, these guys did these insulation holes. I painted about 50 of them and they show like a sore thumb. Look at your texture and go a texture a little bit lighter, because this is mellowed out over the course of 20 paint jobs. Anyhow, we got about 100 more of these to do, so we're going to get busy, but I just thought I'd throw this in because we get a lot of folks calling me for this too. Anyhow, guys, my name is Kirk, and as usual, we'll see you guys on the next one.